Hey guys, so I don't know if you remember or not, but I think I've mentioned previously that I have both of my girls sharing, well, they're not sharing the same room yet because Brexley is only 4 months old, and so she is actually still in our bedroom with us, but they are sharing the same closet. And I just have 2 dressers in their rooms for them, for their clothes that actually get folded and put away, and for all the stuff that hangs up, it's in one closet, and it's a really teeny tiny closet. So tonight, I'm going to tackle trying to organize it a little better so that I can fit their massive amounts of clothes in there. I do have a shelf set up in there underneath where I hang the clothes, so I didn't want to put like a double rod. I do have a little helper. Where? As you can see, she's playing with a tampon. Where? Are you helping mommy? Yeah. I went on Amazon and bought these and this Wonder Hanger Max. Ooh, it's an as seen on TV product, which is always a little sketchy to me, but it had really good reviews. There's 10 hangers in here, and each of them holds 5 hangers, and it says you could also double up possibly. So we're gonna see how this works with little baby clothes. My hopes aren't that high, but I don't need it to work miracles. I just need to be able to fit more stuff. Hey, so this is actually how the Amazon hangers came. These were like really cheap. They come in little rubber band bundles of 10, and there are 5 packs of those, so it's 50 total. And what I thought was interesting about them is they're baby hangers. First off, they're small, but then they have all of these different little openings to hang different types of stuff. And the way they're shaped at the bottom is even easier to hang like pants that go with stuff. So I was anxious to try those out because so far my favorite hangers that I found that are baby hangers are these that have the little pockets in them. And I actually bought them at like Babies R Us or I don't know, one of the baby stores. And then the regular ones have little hooks on the bottom, but I haven't really found any practical reasons for them thus far. Comment down below if you have found a use for these itty bitty tiny hooks that won't even hold the little tiny straps of a children's outfit. If you're interested in either one of these Wonder hangers or these regular plastic ones with all the little nifty places, I will link them in the description box down below. So this is what we're working with here. Very teeny closet. So we just added this little shelf up here. I haven't even painted it yet. The shelf goes up pretty high. I think I could like add some more, and it goes back really deep. And then we just put in one closet rod, and as you can see, it is pretty stuffed full with Blair's clothes, only a little section of Brexley's clothes. And then the bottom of it is a disaster, and I also need to organize that. As you can see, this is all Blair's old clothes, and they're all organized in bags, and those will just have to stay there for now until Brexley starts wearing them and I can start getting rid of the excess. So, see how this goes. To start with, I'm going to finish putting all of these clothes on hangers, and as for sorting, I kind of have to keep all of the different seasons in the closet, which is one reason that it takes up so much space. Their dressers are pretty much full of all of their socks, pants, shorts, jeans, tights, leggings, all of their sleepers and pajamas, miscellaneous stuff like swimwear, just crazy the amount of clothes that they have. But where we live, we will go through all 4 seasons in 1 week. like 2 nights ago, it got below freezing at night, and then the next day it went all the way back up to 70. And then there's like a couple days, the highs in the 50s, and then it's like boom, 78. For that reason, I just don't really separate the seasons and pack stuff up. I just get rid of stuff when they outgrow it, because I mean, it's nothing for us to have like an 80-degree day in December easily. I took these hangers out of the pack, and now that they're out, they look really not as good as they do on this box. So we'll see. But it says to hang one end of it up, or hang both ends up, and then fill it up with all your clothes, and then you drop one end down. So we'll see how it goes. And my helper's back. You've got the directions.
No.
Did you figure it out for me? Yeah? So now that I have these out, they look really cheap and just really cheap and gimmicky. I just don't know. So to start with, I'm just going to take Blair's stuff out of the closet. Oh, this is actually Brexley stuff. And put one of these up. It looks kind of rinky-dink, but we'll see. So it says to hang it like that to start with, and to then fill it back up with all of the pieces. And it says you can double up some of them, so these are baby hangers, so let's see if that works. At least for this little tiny spring and summer looking stuff. So it fits all hangers, it says, but it definitely will not fit the ones like this that have the little identifier on top of it still, obviously. I have actually managed to fit quite a lot on one, and each one of these says it'll hold up to 30 pounds. And because these are little tiny baby hangers and little tiny baby clothes, I did fit, I think on average, 5 in each one. Now this one that I used, some of those hangers that I showed you that are like from the different stores, those are taller, wider, thicker hangers. So on that one I only have 3 in there, but I could have probably fit one more of the skinny ones in there. Now let's unhook it like it said and see how it works. I'm kind of scared they're all gonna come toppling down to the ground, honestly. But it says to unhook the one that you put up and to drop it down. I'm scared, guys. Here we go. Oh wow, that definitely works. It would probably work better if I didn't have it so loaded up with clothes. Of course, when you want to get something out, you've got to have room in your closet still though to expand whichever one you are wanting to get something off of. So in that sense, that's that much room that it's not gonna save you in your closet. But let's see how it goes. I'm gonna do a couple more. And that one took up so much I didn't even need all of the ones on this one for now. And without filling the second one up as much, it definitely went down flatter. But maybe if I had skinnier hangers, I think this would work better with like wire hangers. I know that movie says no wire hangers, but this would definitely work better with wire hangers. See the way it juts out? It's still taking up a lot more space than I ideally would want it to, but for now, it's, I guess, serving the purpose. All the other stuff back here are coats, and that's what takes up so much room. But because it is the winter season, I do have those in there. You're helping mommy? Are you gonna help mommy do your closet? Doesn't look as aesthetically pleasing as I would like, but gets the job done. Now that we came up with a solution for the top, I'm just going to organize some of this stuff on the bottom. Alright guys, here is the finished product. Like I said, I don't really like the way these look, but they definitely do the job and allow me to fit all of the clothes in. And of course I could squish them in and make more room, but for now, this works. The shelf is nice and organized. Have all of our backup wipes and diapers stored. And of course we have this eyesore, but it is neatly stacked. And these are all of the clothes that Brex has yet to grow into, that Blair has grown out of. So there you go, guys. Just a quick baby closet reorganization and tidy up. Yeah? Yay, you're helping mommy? Yay. Say, alright guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe to our channel. Bye bye. Bye bye.